Did you know that running burns so many calories that if running were a diet, you'd be able to eat pizza and still lose weight? But let's be honest, no one's trying to run marathons just to justify an extra slice. So, if you're like me and prefer smarter, more creative ways to stay fit, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring ChatGPT Fitness Prompts, your AI workout buddy that's going to revolutionize the way you stay healthy. Let's dive in. Alright, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use ChatGPT as your personal fitness assistant. We'll explore different prompts to create customized workouts, meal plans, stretching routines, and even mindfulness practices, all generated live. I'll be typing the prompts as we go, and you'll see ChatGPT's responses in real time. But don't worry, I'll summarize the key insights to keep things clear and actionable for you. Let's kick things off by building a personalized fitness routine. I'm going to type in the first prompt, create a weekly workout plan for a beginner focusing on strength and cardio. This is great for those just starting or if you want to switch up your routine. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Now, for beginners, a good workout plan should balance both strength training and cardio to help condition the whole body. Strength days build muscle and boost metabolism, while cardio days improve endurance and heart health. That's why combining both elements is key to creating an effective plan. For example, in ChatGPT's response, notice how it starts with a full body strength workout on day 1 and alternates with cardio on day 2. This alternation gives your muscles time to recover while keeping your energy up. Also, don't forget to listen to your body. It's all about consistency over intensity when you're just starting out. Now that we've got our workout sorted, it's time to talk about nutrition. After all, you can't out-train a bad diet. I'm going to use this prompt. Create a 7-day meal plan for muscle gain on a 2,500 calorie budget. Let's see how ChatGPT builds out a balanced meal plan. When it comes to gaining muscle, having the right nutrition is just as important as lifting weights. A good meal plan should include the right mix of protein, carbs, and fats. Protein is essential for muscle repair, while carbs give you the energy to push through those workouts, and fats help with hormone regulation. For example, here in ChatGPT's response, breakfast on day 1 is eggs with spinach and mushrooms. The eggs are a fantastic source of protein to jumpstart muscle recovery. If you're vegetarian, you could easily swap the eggs for a plant-based option like tofu or tempeh. Let's not forget the importance of flexibility. A good stretching routine can do wonders for your recovery and overall mobility. Let's ask ChatGPT for a full-body stretching routine. Give me a 10-minute full-body stretching routine to improve flexibility. Here's what we get. Stretching after a workout is essential for reducing muscle soreness and increasing flexibility. It improves your range of motion, which can help you get more out of your strength and cardio sessions. For instance, in ChatGPT's response, the routine starts with a neck stretch. Another great stretch is the cat-cow, which improves spinal flexibility and helps with posture, a key element, especially if you sit a lot during the day. I highly recommend taking at least 10 minutes to stretch after your workouts to ensure proper recovery. Fitness isn't just about the body, it's about the mind too. When you need a mental reset or stress relief, you can ask ChatGPT for mindfulness routines. Let's try. Generate a 5-minute meditation session focused on stress relief. Let's see how this works. Mental well-being plays a huge role in overall fitness. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that can lead to weight gain and fatigue. Meditation helps lower cortisol levels and brings mental clarity. In ChatGPT's meditation routine, number 2 is deep breathing exercises. These help activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for rest and relaxation. Deep breathing lowers your heart rate and helps reduce stress. Taking just 5 minutes to focus on your breathing can make a big difference in how you feel physically and mentally. Try incorporating this short meditation into your post-workout cooldown or during breaks in your day. So there you have it. With just a few prompts, ChatGPT can help you create a full fitness plan, meal schedule, flexibility routine, and even mindfulness practices. It's like having a personal trainer, nutritionist, and therapist in your pocket. Remember, this is all tailored to your needs, and you can adjust and refine it as you go along. And always consult a doctor or certified trainer before making any significant changes to your fitness or health routine. One of the best things about using ChatGPT is that it's highly customizable. Whether you're a beginner or advanced in your fitness journey, you can tweak these prompts to suit your goals. Try asking for variations of the same prompt. For example, a workout plan focused on upper body strength or a meal plan that's vegetarian. The possibilities are endless, and it allows you to take control of your fitness in a more flexible, approachable way. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And drop a comment below if you've got any cool fitness prompt ideas for ChatGPT. I'd love to try them out.